Hey, just wanted to share with everybody how I start a fire in the wintertime. It's getting cold out here in Kentucky, and we've already had the first snow. Of course, everybody knows that. So, yeah, get down, down, down. Dog wants up on the truck. She's not getting up there. She knocked over my camera. Anyways, it's real simple how to get a fire started real quick and easy. I got some kerosene right here. I got about 20 inches of old like a towel. Any rag will do. And let's see, how wide is that? 5.5 inches. Now this is an old toilet paper roll, uh, uh, and it's about almost 4.25 inches. So you want this just a little bit longer. That way it sticks out the end. And all you do, you just roll this up real tight. You don't want to soak it first. I've tried that. It's hard to get it in there when it's soaking wet up kerosene, but just roll this up pretty tight. So you got that about like that. Stick it in this cardboard toilet paper roll. You see, this is the opening. You want to try to twist it the opposite direction. Sometimes if you don't roll it tight enough, it gets hard to get it up in there. But so I didn't roll it tight enough. Do that this way. And I done fitted this up in there once today, so just to make sure it was going to go. But you need to roll it pretty tight to go in there. Yeah, that's getting a little tighter. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, that's a lot tighter. Just shove it up in there, right to the end. Leave a little bit sticking out. All you're going to do, take that kerosene and let it just go down through there until the whole thing's soaked. You'll see it soak once that other end becomes wet. You just want to keep pouring that kerosene in. Yeah, not there yet. Usually takes just about that much kerosene to actually get it soaking wet. You saying I didn't have maybe, let's see, on here, it's about 1 cup is what I had in here or so. Should be getting there. Should be getting there. See, the cardboard's getting wet. That won't hurt it now. There, it's starting to get a little bit wet down at the bottom. Yeah, there it is. See, I'm just about out of kerosene. Doesn't take very much. Yeah, now see it's dripping there. That's what you want right there. Just a little bit of kerosene left in there. All right. Nope, forgot my lighter. Well, hold on, I'll be right back. Well, it's not my lighter. Propane torch works best anyways. Mine's a little cantankerous. There we go. Yeah, I'm going. This is kind of tricky. I don't know. I don't want to do this. Let's see. We'll just do it right here on the ground. See if I can't move you over here where I throwed up. Is that it? Can't see it. Yeah, there it is. Right. So, simple as that. Lights right up. Now that thing's going to burn forever. So it's going to dry that cardboard off. It's not really going to burn it too much. It's going to burn the outside of it. That's why you want that tight though. You want that cloth tight, because it'll act like the movies. You see them holding them torches. They wrap that rope or whatever around there real tight. Some kind of cloth. You wrap it around real tight, and that's what holds the oil in, kerosene or what have you. But that right there, that's going to burn for a long time, and that's going to allow you to get your fire started. It's real quick and easy. Doesn't use a lot of kerosene. You can use old rags, pants, shirts that you don't wear anymore, old towels that you're not going to use, old shop rags. You can even use them blue shop towels that you get, the paper shop towels. You roll them up tight together and stick them in there. But it's going to run. It's going to burn for quite a while. That's how I start my fires in my wood stove if the fire goes out. I also put, if it's really cold and I want to get going really fast and I don't want to split the logs up, I'll take the smallest split log I got, pour some kerosene in the old ashes, which is neat. You pour it in the old ashes, you stick the ashtray back in the stove, take your propane torch and light them ashes up. It will burn for about a half an hour if you use about maybe half a jar or less of kerosene. Just pour it right on top of them ashes. Them ashes will act like an orifice of some type, but you can see how long this is burning. I mean, it's going to burn like that for quite a while. And if it has air being sucked through the stove, I mean, it burns a lot hotter. This is just out in the open, you know, it's not got any air blowing on it. So anyways, that's going to continue burning. I'm just going to let it burn out. I've already got a fire going in my stove today, so y'all have a good one. See ya.